family, I don't need ya. I came from the beat that's on Nina's. Get your rap, get your kid, they don't feel love. All this pain in my eyes, you can see it. Real recognize real, you can't fake it. I was left on that drum, no Aquafina. Fake love, all I guess, so I don't need ya. Bust down on my neck, Aquafina. Put my trust on my family, I don't need ya.
Hey guys, I'm back here with another video, and today we will be getting into a wig review. What's in the box? A wig. Let's check it out.
Okay, so here it is. I will be trying on and reviewing a wig from Luvme Hair. It says in the box, affordable luxury wigs. So this will be my first actual wig, and I'll be installing it myself. So wish me luck. So right off the bat, I love the box. It has like a matted texture, and like I like the gold. So in the box you get your wig. Let's take it off this mat. I love the hair. It feels so soft. So this is 14 inches and I believe 150 density. It has like a flat iron smell to it. I'm not even gonna lie, but it is a 16 by I think it's 14 by 6 inches. I mean not inches lace. Yeah, there we go. So here's the lace. I see a lot of YouTubers do this for some reason, so I'm gonna do it too. But it really blends into my hand. It's the Undetectable lace. Yeah, it feels really soft. So I'm gonna read. Oh, let me finish what's in the box. So here's about the return policy and how to use and care for your wig. Pretty sure I know how to use a wig. Okay, so on top of your head. Okay, and then it comes with 2 nuded caps. And then something in this bag. So, a rat tail comb, some hair wax stick, or 2 duckbills, and I guess what's it called? A band, elastic band, and some bobby pins, and tweezers. Okay, so far this wig, I love the texture. I got water wave. I believe that's what it's called. I'm not getting any shedding. It's shorter than I thought, but maybe because it's curly. But it looks about 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this bra strap crap. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. There's like nothing I can clip it. There's nothing I can clip it onto. So, is this it? Oh, it got 2 little things you can put together, I guess to make it tighter. But yeah, so far, it seems pretty cool. Okay, so I found out what the little clips on there, the box on it, it's the adjustable, I guess, thing. I don't know nothing about wigs, so this is my first one, but yeah, there's an adjustable band where you can clip it onto the wig. So yep. The parts I will be using to lay it is got to be glued freeze spray, and the got to be glued regular gel. Let's get into this. I will also be using the Morphe contour and bronzing palette to blend it in with my natural hair. Or whatever. It's not really close to my color. It's whatever. This is my first wig. I'll figure it out as I go. So. Okay, so let's get started.
Did you think this was my real hair?
Oh hell no!
So, I'm gonna prep my hair and get it ready so it can lay under the wig. I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm braiding my hair, but hold on, I had to show you something. Look at this! Your girl got some hang time! I got hair. Where's my hang time? You feel me? Look at that. Ooh. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Okay, so I'm done braiding my hair, and what I'm about to do now is put on these stocking caps. I think my hair might be a little big for this, because I feel suffocated. And there we go. I'm gonna gel back my edges, because like they're kind of coming up. So I'm using my vacuum cleaner, and then I'm just putting it around my hairline.
what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out small little holes for my ears to go through, and so I can finish blow drying down the wig cap, allowing it to stick to my head.
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
As you can see, I'm just cutting out the wig cap and just around my hair, and I'm using my smaller scissors just to get more precise areas. I kind of go back and forth between 3 scissors just to kind of get it as perfect as possible. Now I'm just going around for my cheap foundation, and I ended up not using the bronzer because it was like way too dark. I should have seen that coming, but yeah, I'm just using my foundation and my beauty blender just to get around it. And then I'm also taking the same beauty blender and foundation and going around my lace. What I'm doing right here is I'm cutting out the excess lace that was in the back of the wig. Now I'm just trying on the wig and trying to see where I have to cut for my ear flaps, so my ears can fit properly in the wig. Now I'm just adding another layer of glue just so I can make sure it holds on for dear life, because Lord knows that I am very rough with my hair. Now I'm just blow drying it and allowing it to get tacky. I'm just using a wipe that has a little bit of alcohol on it just to wipe off the extra. As you can see, I'm putting on the wig a little at a time and cutting off it off in sections just to make sure it fits properly. I go back and forth with the scissors and relaying it. I'm laying it down with a comb because you don't want to really use it with your fingers, because like when I did that around my some areas, like it would end up sticking to my fingers and lifting up the lace. So just make sure you do that. Now I'm just blow drying the hair, the lace down so it won't lift. As you can see, I'm loading up the hair, trying to figure out how I want to style it and bring the curls back to life. I'm combing out what I essentially want to be my edges, and I'm just laying by my hair and parting my hair again, trying to get it to where I really want it to be. I'm spraying it more so I can lay down flat. Here I'm just adding some foam just to help the hair. So here's the end result.
Okay, so if there's anything I can say about this hair, is that this is the best hair I've ever got. This is like better than any frontal I've had in my head. This is, like, look at this. You can't even see this lace. Like, I've been combing through it, and I have no shedding. None whatsoever. There's like, and it keeps its like wave pattern. I wouldn't say curl pattern, but it's wave pattern. I've wet it up a little, but for a wet look, I use my foam. And I also use my foam for the edges. And like, look at this. I did mess up, I'm not even gonna lie. This is my first wig. So around the ear tabs, I kind of cut it a little too far back, and like the glue was a mess. I wouldn't put on a wig myself ever again, but having somebody else do it, yes. In the back, they have a little lace piece in the back, and then you just, you know, I don't know, but you know, this hair, I freaking love it. It's so soft. It's like, it looks like it's my real hair. Like, all I would have to do is probably pluck out my part a little, but that's about it. When it dries, it gets a little more volume. But I kind of like my hair flat like this. So it does dry. I do need to moisturize it, because my foam wasn't really good. I'm not even gonna lie. But this hair, you better freaking count your dollars or something and buy this, because it is well worth it. Man, all I can say is this hair, I feel like nobody can tell me nothing now. Like, what? Look at these edges. Look at these edges. Like, honey. Love Me Hair, sponsor me or something, because I'm gonna need some more of this. I need some more of this action, because Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. It sounds like I'm saying Lord Hammer. Lord have mercy. This, I need all this in my life. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. And make sure you get this wig. It will be linked down in the description below. You know, like, subscribe, comment, share, all the stuff. Get you this hair. You feel me? Sleeping
on my line, she want that role play. Fucking on my vibe, she just throw away. I was on the yacht with that Glock on my waist. Fighting on my life, I've been stuck in my